Hello students, the question is from computer organization. Okay, so the question is, in a pipeline RISC computer where all arithmetic instruction are the same CPI, that is the cycle per instruction, so which of the following actions would improve the execution time of a typical program? So three options are given. First is increasing the clock cycle rate, second is disallowing any forwarding in the pipe, third one is doubling the size of instruction cache and data cache without changing the clock cycle time. Okay, so you know that main memory is slower as compared to the processor, right? So for that one we implement the cache. So cache, how we will it improve the execution? This it will be achieved by dividing the cache for fetching and for processing. So if you are increasing the size also, fine, so it will improve the execution time. Okay, so this third statement is correct. Now, what about this first statement, increasing the clock cycle rate? Obviously, if we improve the cycles per execution time of a cycles per instruction, so that will improve our execution time. So first is correct. Now, there is a hazard in the cache that is called as a stall. Okay, so this stall, this is a kind of hazard. Okay, so this hazard is improved by, it is subsided by using the operand forwarding. Okay, so this operand forwarding is used for improving the execution time only. Execution time. So this operand forwarding is used for execution time. So therefore this forwarding will also be helpful in execution. But the second statement is given as disallowing any forwarding in the pipeline, but the forwarding is used in the pipeline for improving the execution only. So second statement is false. So first and third is true. So therefore answer is D. Thank you.